Before I went on a tangent and did a review on this, I wanted to show you all the different products that I have that are Apple related. You'll see that there is an extensive amount of them. Okay, a lot of different Apple devices. So I had purchased this because, well, it's the new thing. It's the Airpods fourth generation. They're going to be super badass because I love the actual third generation or the regular AirPods, not so much to be confused with the AirPods 2. And I like them. I don't like the little plastic jams, well, because they collect earwax. But what I want to show you is I just want to point something out for you because you're going to see a lot of videos of people saying how great these are. I had the exact opposite experience. I got these, I think, on Friday the 20th or maybe on the 19th. I used them for a total of 1 day, and I decided how much I absolutely despise them. Obviously, I'm showing you the third gen as I'm talking about the AirPods fourth gen, but I really want to show you something. So looking at these, you see the little LED on that. Let me open these both up so you can compare the LEDs on them. You see how blurry this one looks? And of course, they are cheaper. But when you close this, same thing. You see the LEDs. It just looks cheaper on this, and they feel cheaper. I said it's going to be nice because, well, the case is smaller. But keep in mind that on this one, it is not only wireless, it does have an actual physical button to pair versus this. It's a little bit more, I don't want to say taxing, but more of a pain to actually repair this. And you do have the USB-C. That's great. This has the lightning jack. However, it having wireless is that much better. You cannot get the fourth gen with wireless as it is right now. And the USB-C, they could have easily added that to this actual third generation or offered a different case just like they did with this. And I really wanted to highlight that. Now, I would love to give you a comparison showing you or letting you hear the audio of this versus this, but that's not possible where it is right now. But one major thing I want to talk about, the most negative thing, is when you open this up, check out the spacing on the third gen versus on the new gen. They made the case much smaller. Why? Honestly, I don't know. They made it smaller because they wanted to fit it in smaller packaging. So to grab this, you can't just grab it like this. You have to kind of, and I'm not being dramatic when I do this. Like I'm an avid Apple user. There you go. Nope. And then the magnet kind of snaps it in. You grab one out, it's no problem to grab the other one. Now, when I grab these out, it's no problem. 1, 2, because like finger in between there. It is a little bit more ergonomic. It's kind of slimmer. Your speaker is more at an angle. Honestly, as far as comfortability in the ear, it's very hard to tell the difference between the two. I just don't think it is comparable at all to the actual third gen. I hate the casing. I absolutely despise it. The sound is a little bit more bassy and throatier, and it doesn't have as much as treble as the third gen. This I cannot stand. Like, to get it out is not easy. It's not simple. I don't know why they did it like this.